Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly, and tonight I'm taking you along with a relaxing night routine. Today is Saturday that I'm filming this, and I just wanted to kind of clean up the house, and honestly, it's my way of relaxing lately. If I can get a handle on my house, that makes me feel so much better. So I'm just doing a quick wipe through of the kitchen, making sure everything's decluttered and mess-free so that I can wake up in the morning to a nice, clean kitchen. It really is the best feeling. And I did go ahead and pour myself some cleaning motivation as well. But I am using such a yummy candle warmer right now, or the wax melt. It's like Ocean Breeze or something like that, but it smells so good. So I'm just going to wipe everything down, and I am actually using Target's brand for the all-purpose spray, and it smells really good. It's the basil, the lemon basil, I believe, but it smells heavenly. I totally recommend it, and it's safe to use in your home, especially if you have little ones. And also, speaking of that, I just got a box from Grove Collaborative, my very first box. So I am going to do an unboxing for you and clean with me. So stay tuned for that. Make sure your bell is rung and you have subscribed to my channel as well. And anybody else's toddler just have random shoes and things and puffs spread out all around the floor. I swear I'm sweeping and vacuuming so many times throughout the weekend and at least once a day. Who else is with me? I know I'm not alone, but boy does it get frustrating. Okay, now on to the self-care part of this video. I'm going to quickly though clean up my counter in my bathroom because it is a disaster. And then I'm going to wash my face and straighten my hair so that it's done for tomorrow and I don't have to worry about it the next day. It's very rare that I even get to straighten my hair or curl my hair. It's usually up in a mom bun or a pony, and that's just what I'm rocking these days. Sorry my face is all cut off, but honestly it's probably for the best. So I'm just using a makeup remover wipe. It's just Walmart brand. Sorry if you hear my son in the background. And then I'm using the Walmart brand of the CeraVe foaming cleanser. I do prefer name brand on that one. There is a difference. There is a different smell in the Equate brand, but then I'm using the facial lotion with the CeraVe brand as well. It is my go-to. Whenever I switch it up, I honestly break out every time. I will not switch, and then I will use, I have witch hazel in a little spray bottle, and then I'll spritz that all over my face. I don't have to waste cotton balls or anything like that. So I really do recommend doing that. I just found that out with traveling. I put some in a travel, and that's how I did it, and I'm not going back. I love it so much. So that is what we are doing here. Enjoy the music, and I hope you are relaxing along with me as well.
rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
Well, that is it, you guys, for tonight's night routine on a Saturday, and I'm now in my pajamas. I'm gonna watch some TV, probably watch a lot of YouTube, and I should be editing, but I'm kind of like in this self-care mode, and that's kind of where I'm at right now. Plus my camera battery is charging, and I need to have that charged before I can export my videos. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Also, if you liked this video and like routine videos, give it a thumbs up so I know to make more of them. I really do enjoy making them. And make sure that you do click the bell though when you do subscribe so you're notified of when I upload. That way you never miss your cleaning motivation or just insight on a busy mom's life. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, morning, whatever it is when you're watching this, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.